YouTube, what's going on? Ty from the xking.com hit you with another Acorns video, and today's question is, how much money have I made on Acorns, or how much money can you make on Acorns? So a quick disclaimer, these are my results. This is how much I've made. You can make more than me, you can make less than me. It depends on how much money you have in your account. Do you pull money in your account? Do you use a lot of roundups? Do you pull a lot of one-time withdrawal, one-time? Do you put money into the account yourself? Is it roundups? No. Do you use a lot of found money? It's a lot of things comes into play how the money I've made. So this is my results. So far, in my Acorns later, I made 63 cents so far. So I put in $50 and made 63 cents in my Roth IRA, which is pretty cool. In my core, which is the main thing of Acorns, plus $3.88. So I'm plus $3.79 gained. So I'm plus $3.79. I got paid 19 cents in dividends so far, and they took them dividends and reinvested for me. Again, my account is only $160. So, that's not a lot of money to invest. I mean, that might pay for one stock. So, if I had, full $500 in there, I'm pretty sure I made twice as much money. So this is what I made so far. Some quick questions here. Is Acorns worth it? It's definitely worth it. It's a definitely app you should get involved with, because I've kind of stopped putting money into it, far as putting one time. Let's see if I can put in here. If I can find it for you. I stopped putting one time money into it. What I do now is use my roundups. Okay, so I use a lot of roundups, and let me see down here below. I made 154 roundups so far, and totally is $106 in roundups. I mean, again, this is just money that's been lying around, spare change, that instead of putting them in a jar and taking it to the bank and cashing them in, it's going to Acorns, and I'm plus $3.68 in my account. I got 19 cents in dividends, which is not a lot of money. It's chump change. But again, I made this money on autopilot. And I had Acorns for about 2 months now. And, I didn't put no money into it. I threw in $50 in, so I made $106 in roundups money. So that's $100 that I would never had in the beginning. So I like that. I like the found money that like Groupons is a good one. So I use Groupons through Acorns. I get a little money in my account. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to anyone. Is it a good investment? Yes, it is, because now it is $1 a month, and people complain about $1 a month. I'm like, are you kidding me? $1 a month. Okay, you pay bills, you pay a light bill, you pay a water bill. Let's get one thing straight. Not only does it take rounds from your purchases from your debit card, when you buy things online, or when you pay your bills online through your debit card or a checking account attached to that debit card, those also get roundups. So with 2 roundups, I pay that dollar fee a month for this. For the regular Acorns, I pay $2 a month for the Roth IRA. But I mean, if I buy gas and then go out to eat, I mean, that's 45 cents here, 35 cents here. That's almost $1. I mean, people complain about $1, but you swipe your card twice, or you pay 2 bills online, you pay for the service. You're paying for the service through your roundups. So I don't understand why people say, "Oh man, $1 a month." What? You swipe your card twice, you get that $1 a month back. But yeah, I mean, you see my performance details here. Plus $2.79 gain money so far. So that's pretty good. Down here it was 85, and it just kept going up after that, little by little. But yeah, honestly. I love Acorns. I absolutely love it. My portfolios are mildly aggressive. I have roundups automatic. I don't have that 1 or 2 time round multiplier. I had the regular roundups. I mean, you think about it, you pay a light bill, water bill, you have car insurance, you have cell phone bill. That's 4 bills right there. You might have child care to pay for. That's 5 bills right there that you swipe your card or pay online. Those are 5 roundups you have. That's not including buying food, going to grocery shop, buying gas, going out to eat, going to a movie, buying snacks, buying your kids stuff, buying stuff online through Amazon, whatever. You gonna spend you gonna get at least 5 roundups a week. That's about buying gas and food and whatever. So why not put that spare change into an account and it's going to reinvest that money for you? So that's it for my review. How much money I made online from Acorns. And I love making money online. I have an online business, and this is just another way to passively save money, but also passively make money. Okay, so that's the end of my video. You see the found money is $5.38. It's pretty neat. When them deals come through Groupon, I see on Groupon, I make sure I use Acorns and use that app and go through Groupon and get that 30, 40 cents as free included. So again, this money saved up on its own. I didn't insert money. I stopped putting money in this account a long, long time ago. I stopped doing it. And it's made money ever since. Total invested $156.72. So if you want to get started with Acorns today, go ahead and get started. Do not go through acorns.com and set up an account. What you need to do is use my affiliate link. Now, I'm not trying to say this so you can just, I get $5 out of the deal and that's it. I'm just saying, if you use my link or any other person's link, they'll get $5 or I get $5 and you get $5 as well. So you don't sign up for free. If I can sign up to a program that have invested in stocks, I get a free $5 using your link, I'll do it. I did somebody else like that the same way. I gave them $5 and I got free $5 as well. So use my link below to get started with Acorns. Completely passive app, and like I said, car insurance, cell phone, water bill, light bill, car note. That's 5 bills right there we all pay that will be rounded up. I talk about buying gas for your car. You gotta buy groceries. You gotta buy clothes. You buy video games. Those 8 things that I just named that will all be rounded up. And that including going out to eat, buying snacks, buying lunch, buying dinner, buying breakfast, buying your kids stuff, buying small stuff for the house. All that stuff gets rounded up as well to save for you. And you will draw this money if you want to. So Acorns is still worth it. I'll still give it a go. I'll still use it. And I've made this much money so far. And this is my results. My name is Ty for SKing.com. Thanks for watching.